count it down. 3, 2, 1. They're off.
Yeah.
Speed. Look at that focus.
2, 1, go! One! Look at him go! Give it up for a hungry champion!
2, 1, go! And they're off! Look at that launch! It's a slobbery storm out there, folks! Roddy on the left with an early lead. Oh, the Malamute is shoveling like a snowplow! Gogo's not far behind! This is...
Unbelievable speed from all three contenders. Tonight is all about speed, precision, and appetite. Dogs, this is the ring feast rush. Heads up, rings coming in. 3, 2, 1, double ring mode.